Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Alright, let's get started here. I have opened my Microsoft Excel on my laptop and I have created a table as well. And for example, we're going to add drop-down list to this favorite color column, and we're going to add the list from this table, guys. I'm going to add the list of the color for this favorite color column. So the first thing we're going to do is selecting the column like this, because we want to add drop down list to this column. And after that, we just need to click on data option right here, then click on data validation, and after that we have to select the value right here, click on the symbol, then click on list since we want to create drop down list. And after that, we can select the source, and then the source is right here. Just tap on it, then we can select this list of the favorite color, and after that we can click on this button, then just click on OK. And for example, I'm going to add blue for this first row. Just click on this symbol, then you can click on blue right here. And after that, for the second row, for example, I'm going to choose green color. Alright guys, and that's how we can create drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.